How to increase spending limit on Instagram ads. So there's a few things you can put in mind if you want to do this. So first of all, if you want to increase this, you should be able to do it directly in your Meta Ads Manager. And of course, since your Meta Ad account is the one controlling your ad billing for Instagram, so go ahead into your Ads Manager, go into billings and payments in the tools. You should be able to do this in any browser as well, but for here, we're gonna use the app version of the MetaVerse suite. But anyways, over here, we can go ahead inside the payment settings. So you can go ahead to the account spending limit section, and if you set your own limit, you can change it or raise the amount. But the thing is, there is two difference with a daily limit or the general account spending limit in the Meta Ads Manager. Another way you can do this is to go ahead into Meta AI support, where you can ask for an increase for spending limit on Instagram ads, or you can ask for it for general. And once you do that, it will ask if you want help for it. So it says over here they can certainly help you with increasing the spending limit, but to help with the increase, you're gonna have to let them know the daily spend limit amount you would like to set and the other questions that they ask. And after that, just go ahead and answer a few questions, and through the Meta AI support, your Instagram ad limit will also be increased this way. So you can do it manually, but it's going to be set by Meta itself. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.